cost link is in the description if anyone is interested in checking it out. And please do use my link in the description. If you do decide to check out Ipsy, it does give me 600 points to choose additional products. Alrighty, so let's take a look at my February 2023 5 products I received in my Ipsy bag. So this first product is the Dr. Brandt Skincare. It's a hydrating essence. It has a retail of $35. It's a 3.4 ounce. And you can use as much as you like. Dry winter weather ravages your skin, so you protect it with this water-based essence. It's brimming with antioxidant-rich wine and rose extracts to boost your skin moisture content and feel replenished and restored. Okay, so the next one is the In Beauty Project Clarifying Daily Cleanser, $20, 5 ounce. It's a foaming face wash, alcohol and sulfate free, so it dissolves the dirt, debris, pollution, and impurities with a blend of exfoliating acids, salicylic, glycolic, and azelaic. Wow. So with everything being harsh on the skin, this does not cause irritation because it has a soothing anti-inflammatory green coffee bean extract. All right, so the next is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is a Fenty Beauty MVP Sculpting Wax Pencil and Styler in Universal. Retails $20. It has a blending and sculpting brush and goes on clear to lock your brows in place. All right, so the next is Pear Nova. This is a lip balm which retails $22.50. It's a nourishing balm enriched with jojoba oil and prickly pear for softer, smoother, and more supple pout. This is a mauve nude shimmer. All right, so the fifth product is the Kate Somerville Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. This retails $98. It's 2 fluid ounce. It'll give you glowier, youthful looking skin. It exfoliates and removes dead skin cells from the surface, and it's clinically proven to show improved texture, refined pores, reduce fine lines, and wrinkles. This can be used 2 times per week. And now for this cool bag. Ipsy always sends a drawstring bag with the Ipsy Plus subscription. So love the shades of pink in this design here. And it says, self-love is the best love. All right, so for the month of February of 2023, my products are Fenty Beauty MVP Brow, which is a $20 product. Pear Nova Lip Balm, which is $22.50. Kate Somerville Exfoliating Treatment, which is $98. Dr. Brandt Hydrating Essence, which is $35. INN Beauty Project Clarifying Daily Cleanser, which is $20. So the retail value on all 5 is $195.50. Therefore, being a member is absolutely fantastic. I pay $30 and get all 5 of these products. The link is below in the description if you're interested in checking out Ipsy. Let me know what you think in the comments below about my Ipsy subscription this month, and I'll see you in the next video.